In this problem, we're going to find the product of two matrices C and B. Matrix C we can see is a 3 by 2 matrix, and matrix B is a 2 by 3 matrix. Because the number of columns in matrix C equals the number of rows in matrix B, we can find this product. In addition, we know that the matrix is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. To find the entries in the matrix, what we're going to do is multiply the rows in matrix C by the columns in matrix B. So for example, we go 4 times 1 plus 6 times 0 to get the entry in row 1, column 1. If we want the entry in row 2, column 1, we multiply row 2 vector in matrix C by the column 1 vector in matrix B. So it's going to be 1 times 1 plus negative 3 times 0. To get row 3, column 1, we find negative 1 times 1 plus 8 times 0. Now we're going to get row 1, column 2. So we multiply row 1 by column 2. 4 times negative 2 plus 6 times 3. Row 2, column 2 is row 2, column 2. 1 times negative 2 plus negative 3 times 3. Continuing in this fashion, row 3, column 2, negative 1 times negative 2 plus 8 times 3. Finally, we're going to get the last column. First, we'll get row 1, column 3, row 1, column 3, 4 times 5 plus 6 times 1. And then we're going to do 1 times 5 plus negative 3 times 1. Finally, negative 1 times 5 plus 8 times 1. So we evaluate each expression. Here we get 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. Negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. Negative 8 plus 18 is 10. Negative 2 plus negative 9 is negative 11. 2 plus 24 is 26. 20 plus 6 is 26. 5 plus negative 3 is 2. Negative 5 plus 8 is 3. And again, we can see that we end up with a 3 by 3 matrix.